Okay, now what do I need to do to secure this a little bit? We can actually angle this a little bit down if we want to here. Just moving the pipe around to get these where you want them. Okay, so then I need to put a piece of the PVC pipe over it. And what that does is it helps secure the plate, because right now the plate's rocking. The weight of the cake will help support it, but it can still rock a little bit. If you have the PVC pipe over there, it kind of secures the plate just a little bit more for us. Okay, so this is 2 inches, the PVC pipe. So it's just leaving a little bit of thread showing at the top. Then I'll take this piece and screw this on. See how that tightens that? Like so. Okay. So that's good. Now if we had cake in here, we would need to put the cake in first, and I have a styrofoam cake. So I can go ahead and place this over the top, just so we can get a visual of the whole thing. Okay. All right, then what we need is, this one is 3.5 inches now. Okay, now we want to put another styrofoam block over it. So that should be good. If we have to cut this or use a larger one, we will. But the next one up, this is 3.5. The next one up is quite a bit longer, and I think that's going to be way too long. So we're going to try this one first. Okay, so for the styrofoam, what I'm going to do is go ahead. I want it to kind of be at it right at this angle. So I'll go ahead and place this on here. Okay, see where I'm going? Straight in there. Okay, and then I need to do the opposite corner here. There we go. Okay, so this will sit like here. We don't have to worry, because none of the weight of the next cake, we're going to support it here. So we don't have to worry about, this getting, crushing this cake right here. Because this cake, there's not going to be any weight on this right here. So now this top one, we have to get one more bit in here. Let's see if we can screw this in. So one more elbow joint there. I'd like it turned back way over here. And it's even kind of come out a little bit different when we actually go ahead and use the real cake too. Okay, then we're going to have one more cake that will sit something like this, another 8-inch cake. So, all right, so for the 8-inch cake, we used a 2.5-inch, one of these little guys. Okay, this one looks a little longer than 2.5. That is quite an angle. I don't even know if I'm comfortable with that angle. So, I mean, that's a lot. So what I would want to do is actually kind of twist it around so it's a little bit, up a little bit more than that. That's just a little too scary for me even. Okay, see now it's not quite so, at an angle like that. Actually, turn this way. Then we put one more cake over the top. And this will be an 8-inch plate. I just have only 6-inch here. So let me drill out the center of this one.